Vincent with Sotheby's International Realty Canada and Banff and Canmore coming to you with your September market update. Market continues to be really strong. A slight decrease in sales month over month, but nothing I would say is significant. July was a record month, and August was 76 transactions, which is in a normal year very, very good, and in this year I'd say exceptional. That's a year over year increase of about 58% in terms of sales volume by transactions. Year over year, we've seen a bit of an increase in inventory levels. I think we're about 18% higher than we were last year at this time for active listings. But what's really interesting is we're well into a balanced market right now with 4.25 months of inventory overall. If we consider this last year at this time, we were at 5.83 months of inventory. Even going back to 2017, when that was a really strong market, we had 5.4 months of inventory at this time. Now, we look back at kind of the big financial crisis a decade ago. Canmore's market was really in the absolute pits in the summer of 2011. And at that time, there was 18 months of inventory. So, even with an increase of active listings, if sales remain strong for the next couple of months through the fall market, prices are going to hold steady for the most part and probably see some increase in pricing in certain segments. Banff, bit of a different story. Banff, we're at 9.5 months of inventory, so very much into a buyer's market right now. There was 4 sales last month. It'll be interesting to see what kind of shakes out in Banff through the fall, as people are now coming off of a very busy tourist season through the summer, but also as the mortgage deferrals come due, are we going to see more properties coming up in Banff? In terms of Canmore, I'm not sure how much more inventory we're going to really see come to the market with the mortgage deferrals. I think a lot of the properties that we're going to come to the market this year anyhow we'll probably see a bit more listings coming on in a typical fall market. So we'll probably fall in somewhere around that 330 active listing market. The other thing to consider is with the higher listing numbers that we've seen traditionally is the town has grown a lot in the past couple of years. There's been hundreds of residential units added to the market. So, we would expect there to be, both higher sales volumes, but also higher inventory levels. For full stats, more graphs, and more, check out our blog at canmorebanffrealestate.com, and thanks for watching.